In the animal kingdom, intelligence comes in many forms, with various species demonstrating remarkable cognitive abilities that challenge our understanding of consciousness. Among the cleverest are chimpanzees, whose use of tools reveals their capacity for creativity and planning. Crows, often underestimated, exhibit extraordinary problem-solving abilities, rivaling those of some primates. Finally, elephants stand out for their emotional intelligence and memory, forming deep social bonds that surpass many other species. Orcas, or killer whales, demonstrate sophisticated communication skills and complex social structures, making them one of the most intelligent marine mammals. These top 5 intelligent species not only exhibit remarkable cognitive skills, but also remind us of the intricate connections shared between humans and the animal kingdom. As we delve deeper into their world, we uncover the layers of intelligence that not only enrich their lives, but also illuminate the complexities of our own existence.